Imagine a time when the world was rediscovering the grandeur of ancient civilizations. That's when neoclassical architecture was born. During the 18th century, a wave of fascination swept over Europe, a fascination for the classical Greek and Roman architecture. This was no ordinary fascination, but one that would shape the face of many cities across the globe. Inspired by the Enlightenment era, a time of reason and intellectual exchange, architects began to echo the principles of symmetry, proportion, and decorum found in ancient structures. They sought to recapture the essence of these timeless designs, marrying them with the spirit of their own age. This architectural style was not merely a revival, it was an homage to the past and a statement for the future. Thus, from the ashes of the past, neoclassical architecture arose, a testament to mankind's enduring love for symmetry and order. What makes neoclassical architecture so unique and fascinating? Let's delve into the heart of this style, where symmetry, simplicity, and grandeur converge. The neoclassical style revives the classical elements, with a clear emphasis on symmetry. The balance and proportion in the layout of buildings are a sight to behold, creating a harmonious visual appeal. But it doesn't stop there. The simplicity of neoclassical architecture is another captivating facet. Stripping away the excessive ornamentation of the Baroque and Rococo styles, it opts for a more restrained elegance. It is a testament to the adage that less is indeed more. Grandeur is another distinguishing aspect. Neoclassical buildings are grand, but not in an ostentatious way. They exude a sense of power and permanence, with towering columns and expansive pediments inspired by the architecture of ancient Greece and Rome. Neoclassical architecture, therefore, is an eloquent expression of order, reason, and classical beauty. And therein lies its timeless charm. Now, let's uncover some intriguing facts about this architectural style. Neoclassical architecture, though rooted in antiquity, continues to influence modern architectural design. Its principles of symmetry, proportion, and grandeur are seen echoed in countless contemporary structures. Now here's a fascinating tidbit. This style isn't confined to a single region. It has spanned the globe, from Europe to Asia and the Americas, leaving a timeless imprint on the architectural landscape. Its universal appeal is testament to its enduring allure and adaptability. And did you know? Neoclassical architecture is frequently chosen for government buildings. Its grandeur and dignity are seen as a reflection of the state's power and permanence. A prime example is the US Capitol building, a stunning structure that beautifully embodies the neoclassical ethos. So whether it's a city hall in Sweden or a courthouse in Argentina, you're likely to spot traces of neoclassical design. Neoclassical architecture, indeed, is a style that has left its mark on the world. Now, prepare to marvel at some of the world's most iconic neoclassical structures. First stop, the Parthenon in Paris. This architectural masterpiece is the epitome of neoclassical elegance, boasting a grand portico of Corinthian columns and a stunning dome, a testament to the style's reverence for classical symmetry and order. Next, we journey across the Atlantic to the US Capitol. A beacon of democracy, the Capitol's design is a splendid blend of neoclassical elements, from its grand rotunda to its imposing Corinthian columns. It is a monument to the power of order and reason, embodied in stone. Lastly, we arrive at the Brandenburg Gate, an iconic symbol of Berlin. It perfectly showcases the neoclassical style's penchant for grandeur and symmetry, with its 12 Doric columns and majestic quadriga statue, a chariot drawn by 4 horses. These iconic structures stand as enduring symbols of the timeless appeal of neoclassical architecture. Curiosity piqued yet? Let's delve into some of the most searched details about neoclassical architecture. From the grandeur of the Corinthian columns to the symmetry of the pediments, this architectural style offers a feast for the eyes. Ever wondered why neoclassicism favors simplicity over complexity? Or how architects create such perfect symmetry? The answer lies in the core principles of order, reason, and logic that underpin this style. Neoclassical architecture is indeed a realm filled with fascinating details waiting to be explored. As we wrap up this journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of neoclassical architecture. From its captivating origins in the 18th century, influenced by Greek and Roman classics, to its enduring significance, emphasizing symmetry, order, and reason. The intricacies of its design, from the iconic columns and pediments to the stunning structures that stand tall worldwide, have left an indelible mark. Unveiling its secrets has been a delightful adventure. Neoclassical architecture, a style that has shaped our world, continues to inspire and fascinate us with its timeless beauty.